Hello students, today we will learn about NOR gate. So NOR gate is also called as universal gate or basic building blocks because all other gates can be constructed by using NOR gate also. Okay, so this is the pin configuration of IC 7402. See, this IC 7402 is called as quadruple 2 input NOR gates. Quadruple means 4. So this IC consists of 4 NOR gates, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so this IC 7402 it consists of these 4 NOR gates. So to use IC 7402 or to use NOR gate as a NOT gate, we can select any one out of these 4 NOR gates, any one NOR gate, and we can construct not using NOR. Okay, not using NOR. So this IC 7402 is a 14 pin IC. This is a pin number 14. It is connected to positive terminal of DC power supply, 5 volt DC. The output of the DC power supply is connected here. This is positive and this is negative. Okay, then pin number 7, it is the ground pin. It is connected to a negative terminal of the DC power supply. So this IC 7402 is a 14 pin IC, and this is the pin configuration or pin diagram of this IC 7402. Okay, these are two inputs A and B. These are two inputs for gates, and Y is output terminals. These are LED indicators. When input becomes high, the LED glows red and blue. Okay, and when input becomes low, LED remains off. Also here, when output becomes high, this red LED glows, and when output becomes low, the LED remains off. Okay, see here, I will show you how these ICs are connected here. So this is a IC PCB for to mount IC base, and then on IC base IC is connected. Okay, and the wires are taken from this PCB and connected to the corresponding terminals or button sockets. Here the button sockets are fitted on this board, and each pin is connected to the corresponding terminal. That is pin number 1, it is connected here, pin number 2, pin number 3, pin number 4. Okay, like this. Okay, so in this way the IC is connected. See, this is a DC power supply, 5 volt DC, regulated DC power supply. Here this is a PCB, and 4 diodes are connected here. This is a step down transformer. This transformer has 2 types of windings, primary and secondary. So this is a primary, and this primary winding, 2 wires of this primary windings are connected to this cable. Okay, this is a cable, and 2 pin cable or 2 pin wire, and this 2 pin wire or this cable is connected to the primary of this transformer, and secondary wires are connected to the bridge rectifier. It is a 0 to 9 volt transformer, that is step down transformer, 9 volt 500 milliampere, and its secondary wires are connected to the bridge rectifier circuit. This is a bridge rectifier circuit which consists of 4 diodes, D1, D2, D3, D4, and this is bridge rectifier, and the output of this bridge rectifier is connected to this filter capacitor, electrolytic capacitor. This is a positive, this is negative. Then here again this is also filter capacitor, and this is a 3 pin IC regulator 7805. This is a PCB for 5 volt regulated power supply, and on this PCB these components are connected and soldered, and output wires are connected here to the output terminals, positive and negative, that is plus 5 volt. See here, these are the output terminals of 5 volt, okay, positive and negative. Okay, now we will first construct a NOT using NOR gate. See here, this is the logic diagram. This is the logic diagram of NOT using NOR. NOR gate is also called as universal gates because we can construct all other gates by using NOR gate also. So first we are using NOR gate to construct NOT gate. So not using NOR, NOT gate using NOR gate. So out of these 4 NOR gates, we can choose or we can select any one NOR gate and we can construct NOT using NOR. So see here, when the inputs of NOR gate is shorted, when it is short circuited, that is pin number 2 and 3 of first NOR gate. In first NOR gate, pin number 2 and 3 are inputs and pin number 1 is output. Okay, so in case of NOR gate, pin number 1 is output and pin number 2 and 3 are inputs. So I am selecting here first NOR gate, and here this is the logic diagram. So pin number 2 and 3 are connected together and taken as input, and pin number 1 is output. Okay, so see, this is the truth table for NOT gate. We know that the logic equation of NOT gate is y is equal to a bar. So when input is low, then it is inverted, because the NOT gate is also called as inverter. So when input is low, output is high. When input is 0, output is 1. When input is 1, output is 0. Or when input is high, output is low. So NOT gate is also called as inverter. Okay, so see here how to make the connections. I am selecting first NOR gate. First we have to connect DC power supply. So I am connecting here pin number 14 to plus VCC, and pin number 7 to the ground or negative terminal of the DC power supply. Pin number 7 is connected to negative, pin number 14 is connected to positive. Okay, so first I have connected DC power supply. Then for NOT gate, I am connecting these input pins, pin number 2 and 3 together. Pin number 2 and 3 are short circuited by this wire. 2 and 3 are connected together to perform a NOT gate, and I am taking another wire here. I am connecting another wire. Either you can connect to pin number 3 or pin number 2, any one terminal, and then I am connecting this wire, that is input wire, to input A. You can connect, out of these 2 inputs, you can connect any one terminal. Okay, so I am connecting this to terminal input A. Okay, because inverter has or NOT gate has only one input. Okay, then I am connecting output here. This is pin number 1 is output to the output terminal, yellow terminal, it is output terminal. So I am connecting the output of NOT gate to Y, it is the output terminal. Okay, so I am switching on the circuit. So this is a NOT using NOR. See here, when input is 0, when input is low, then output becomes high. Okay, input is low, output is high. So when input is 0, output is 1. Then see here, when input is 1, output is low or 0 because LED is off. Okay, so in this way NOT gate is performed, or NOT using NOR. NOT gate is performed by using NOR gate. Okay, now see another gate. I am disconnecting these wires. Except a DC power supply. This is pin number 14 to plus VCC, pin number 7 to the ground or negative of the DC power supply. Okay, now OR using NOR. See the logic diagram, OR gate by using NOR gate. So output of first NOR gate is connected to the input of second NOR gate, and input pins of second NOR gate are shorted or connected together, and output of first NOR gate is connected here. So here in first NOR gate, pin number 2 and 3 are inputs and pin number 1 is output, and in second NOR gate, see here, pin number 5, 6 are inputs, 5 and 6 are inputs, and pin number 4 is output. So we have to connect output of first NOR gate to the input of second NOR gate, that is pin number 1, 5 and 6 are to be shorted. Pin number 1, 5 and 6. See here, pin number 1, 5 and 6, that is output of first NOR gate to the input of second NOR gate. Okay. So see here, I am connecting the output of first NOR gate, that is pin number 1, to pin number 5 and 6. See here, this is the output of first NOR gate, and that is pin number 1 to pin number 5 and pin number 6. See here. Okay. So 1, 5 and 6 pins are shorted. Okay. Then pin number 2 and 3, that is the input of first NOR gate. Pin number 2 and 3 are inputs A and B. Pin number 2 and 3, that is input of first NOR gate. Pin number 2 and 3 are inputs A and B, and it is to be connected to the input terminals here. Okay. So pin number 2, it is input A, it is input A. Pin number 2, it is input A, and pin number 3, it is pin number 3, it is input B. Okay. Okay, pin number 2 and 3 are inputs A and B, and output of second NOR gate is pin number 4. Okay, so pin number 4 is output. So I am connecting one wire here, that is the output of second NOR gate, and it is to be connected to output terminal Y. Output terminal Y. Okay, so in this way connections are made. See here, pin numbers 1, 5, 6 are connected together, then 1, 5, 6 are connected together, and pin number 4 is output, and pin number 2 and 3 are inputs. So these input pins 2 and 3 are connected to A and B, and output pin number 4 is connected to output terminal Y. Then pin number 7 is connected to negative, pin number 14 is connected to positive. So in this way connections are made, that is OR using NOR. So we know that the logic equation of OR gate is Y is equal to A plus B. So when inputs are low, that is when both inputs are 0, 0, output is 0, 0 plus 0, 0. When any one input is high, then that is 0, 1, then output becomes 1 because 0 plus 1, 1. Again 1, 0, 1. And when all inputs or when both inputs are high, then also output is high, that is 1, 1, 1. Okay, according to the logic equation of OR gate. So see how this truth table is verified. So I am switching on the circuit here. See here, when both inputs are low, 0, 0, output is 0 because 0 plus 0, 0. Okay. Now 0 in 0, 1 condition, 0 plus 1, output should be 1. So here, see here, output is 1. Then when input is 1, 0, 1, 0, then also output is 1 because 1 plus 0, 1. And for 1, 1 condition, when both inputs are high, that is when inputs are 1, 1, then output should be 1. See here, output is 1. So for 1, 1, output is 1. In this way OR gate is verified, or using NOR gate, OR gate using NOR gate. Okay. Then I am disconnecting these wires from this board. Now we have to construct AND using NOR, AND using NOR. So see here, this is the logic diagram. This is the logic diagram of AND gate using NOR gate. Here 3 NOR gates are used. 3 NOR gates. In first NOR gate, pin number 2 and 3 are inputs of that NOR gate. pin number 1 is output. In second NOR gate, pin number 5, 6 are inputs, pin number 4 is output. And in third NOR gate, pin number 8, 9 are inputs, pin number 8, 9 are inputs, and pin number 10 is output. So we must know the pin configuration. We must know the pin configuration or pin diagram of IC 7402. Then by using this pin configuration, we can construct any gate. Okay, we can construct any gate. Okay, so see here, this is the logic diagram. So according to this logic diagram, we have to make the connections for AND gate, that is AND using NOR. So see here, in first NOR gate, the input pins are shorted here. See here, the input pins are short circuited. Okay, then in second NOR gate also the input pins are short circuited. So we have to first short pin number 2 and 3. We have to first short pin number 2 and pin number 3. See here, pin number 2 and 3 are connected together here and taken as input from pin number 2 or pin number 3. Out of these two terminals, we can connect any one terminal, and it is connected to input A. It is connected to input A. Either you can connect to pin number 2 or pin number 3, and then this wire is connected to terminal A, that is input terminal A. Okay, then see here, in the second NOR gate, 5 and 6 pins are also short circuited. See, in second NOR gate, inputs are short circuited, that is pin number 5 and 6 are short circuited by this wire, and then you can connect to pin number 6 or pin number 5. You can connect to pin number 6 or pin number 5 by another wire, and connect this wire to input terminal B. See here, in second NOR gate, 5 and 6 pins are shorted, and one wire is connected here and connected to input terminal B. Then output of first NOR gate, that is pin number 1. Pin number 1 is to be connected to pin number 8. Okay, see here, output of first NOR gate is connected to input pin 8. Okay, and output of second NOR gate, it is to be connected to second input, that is pin number 9, that is 1 to 8 and 4 to 9. Okay, see here, 1 to 8 and 4 to 9. Okay, see here, this is pin number 1. I am connecting this output of first NOR gate, that is pin number 1, to pin number 8, and I am connecting the output of second NOR gate, that is pin number 4, to the input of third NOR gate, that is pin number 9. Okay, then the output of third NOR gate is pin number 10. See here, this is the output terminal, that is pin number 10, and it is to be connected to output terminal Y. Okay, so in this way the connections are made. So this is the AND gate, this is the AND by using NOR gate. So we know that the logic equation of AND gate is Y is equal to AB. So when all inputs are high, that is 1 1, then only the output will be high, and for other conditions, that is for 0 0, output should be 0, or 0 1, output should be 0, or 1 0, output should be 0. Okay, because Y is equal to A into P. This is the logic equation of AND gate. See here, when both inputs are low, that is 0 0, then output is 0 because 0 into 0 0. Then for 0 1 again 0 into 1 0 because y is equal to AB. Then for 1 0 also output is low because 1 into 0 0. Then for 1 1 condition, that is when both inputs are high, then output is high because 1 into 1 1. So when both inputs are 1 1, output is 1. So in this way AND gate is verified. Okay, so we will stop here.